Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys video ideas for vlogmas for Nigerian YouTubers, okay? Because I've come to realize that those Christmas 50 ideas for Christmas vlogmas that you see YouTubers from other countries that they create, it does not work for us here. It's not what it is, because our own ideologies, what we enjoy, is different. So somebody abroad can do a wish list and it would have a lot of views, but if you are creating for the Nigerian audience, then you are going to struggle. Okay, so let's get into the first video idea that I have is Christmas hair shopping. Yes. Nigerians, we love local markets because the people who watch our videos, Nigerian creators or creators who are creating from Nigeria, are usually Nigerians in the diaspora. So they love to watch market vlogs. Just look around, look at your big favorite YouTubers. Whenever they create market shopping content, it does well. So doing a Christmas hair shopping video, because we like to look good, we like to, now Christmas time is when you want to make your best hair and all of that. So doing a Christmas hair shopping video in a local market will always do well. Okay, I'm going to insert videos of hair shopping that you see that it does well, and not a lot of people are creating that type of content. So that's number one idea. Number two idea is similar to hair shopping, but it's Christmas clothes shopping. Yes, going to a local market to shop for Christmas clothes, not just anywhere, because like I said, the idea is that Nigerians love markets. The Nigerian audience, they love markets. They love that local market vibe, that make una come buy your 2 naira, 200. Because abroad they don't get that. They could go to an Aldi, they could go to a Selfridge and all of that, but that local market vibes, that they see. So give it to them, okay? Give them what they want to watch. They want to watch market. So Christmas clothes shopping, and that can be in different forms. Christmas clothes shopping for adults, Christmas clothes shopping for kids. There's just a lot of things that you can create from going to the markets to show people markets. Okay, lastly, with respect to markets, because market is a huge niche, or will I say niche now? It's a huge, people like it. It always does well for Nigerians, is buying provisions during Christmas period, groceries during Christmas period, or let me say provisions during Christmas period, because things are usually more expensive during Christmas period, but people would like to know what's going on in the market, what's the cost of things, how you shopping for the end of the year. So yeah, those three ideas are something that you can create as a Nigerian YouTuber during vlogmas. Okay, then the next video idea is Christmas baking. Christmas bake with me. Now there's a little twist for the Nigerian audience. Most Nigerians don't have ovens, okay? And Christmas time is where people want to bake, people want to give their families a good time. So if you can create content about baking stuff without an oven, that's going to be huge, because normally creating videos of baking without ovens usually does very well, because a lot of people don't have ovens. Okay, so and people want to make fancy stuff for their family on Christmas Day. So this is the time to create those type of videos. How to bake meat pie without oven, how to bake cake without oven for Christmas, how to bake pastries, sausages, or the mede. This is the time you need to create that type of content if you want to see views. Okay, the next video idea is Can you guess? Christmas in the village. Yes, so Christmas in the village. A lot of people in the diaspora, they want to know how you are doing Christmas in your village, because they are over there in the winter. Everywhere is cold. But you see, that's our local village. That style, that it always works. It's a video idea that will always work for the Nigerian audience. Okay, so if you're a Nigerian YouTuber, you're traveling home, or you've not planned to travel, you want to plan to travel, consider doing content in your village during the Christmas season. The next idea is also similar to this. It is Christmas carnivals. Yes, in the village, or Christmas carnivals anywhere. Nigerians, we love events. Some of the biggest YouTube channels in Nigeria are channels that have to do with events, weddings, parties. So anything that has to do with carnival events, big events during Christmas period, that's a good video idea that you need to be creating. Okay, so with events, Christmas carnivals, Christmas parties, those are video ideas that will always do well for the Nigerian audience. Then Christmas carol. Yes, Nigerian Christmas carol. See, a lot of creators are not taking advantage of this content piece. Just go and search Nigerian Christmas carol, and you will see that those videos have over 100,000 views, and so on and so forth. So take advantage. Your church is doing Christmas carol, show us in a way that we would love to watch. Okay, so Christmas carols, videos on Christmas carol will always do well. Another video idea that's going to do well for the Nigerians, Nigerian YouTubers that you need to be creating is happening spots in your city, because we are going to have a lot of. I just got back. This is the time the Malaysia boys are just coming. The guys from where are the places people travel to these days, I don't know, but people are just coming into the city. This is the country, and they don't know the happening spots. Okay, so show it to them. Show them the places that you guys in your city, where you people go, the places that, oh, the food is good here, I don't know how you people relax, whatever you do, show people the happening spots. Or similar to that, you could do hotel reviews where people could stay, a short let apartment for the Christmas season, because this is the time where a lot of people are coming into the country, so they want to know what options they have. The shortlets that is good to stay, shortlets available in that area. So these are video ideas that will really do well for your Nigerian audience. Okay, am I communicating? If I am communicating, let me know in the comment section that, madam, you are talking, you are ministering to me. Because if you go and do the one that even people are telling you to do, oh, Sapa. Because guess what, this season is where advertisers spend a lot of revenue, and if you are not yet a big YouTuber, I don't want to mention names, you are not yet there yet, don't okay, oh, I've said my own. So you want to create videos that a lot of people are watching, to make this vlogmas meaningful. Okay, because advertisers revenue is going to be high there, CPM, RPM. So you want to create things that will make your doing vlogmas meaningful for you. Okay, you could also do Nigerian Christmas decoration. Decorations are usually very big this season. Do it with a twist, okay, because everybody's doing Christmas decoration. What makes your own different? Do it. Show us how you are decorating for Christmas. If you are doing DIYs, you don't have plenty money to be buy, because do you know how much Christmas trees? If you are doing DIY, show us, because some of us may not be able to buy Christmas tree. Okay, so show us. Okay, don't be shy about showing us your world from your own perspective. Okay, so Christmas decoration, Nigerian Christmas decoration, you can even do a throwback of those olden days style of decoration. Do new ones, just carry us along and make it fun, and people are definitely going to watch. You could also, a good video idea would be nostalgic Nigerian films. Do you understand, that people can watch during the Christmas period? Olden days, old school movies, that's something that we could do for Christmas. Okay, just bring back our nostalgia. Sakobi, what are those films now? Living in Bondage, you know, those old Nigerian films that the family can sit down and watch, that these small children of these days, they don't know it. Please, if you did not watch Diamond Ring, don't talk to me. I'm not your mate. Okay, let's know ourselves. Let's respect ourselves on this platform. So I'm just trying to say that, give people something nostalgic to watch, and yeah, people would love that. So if you have other ideas that you know will work for the Nigerian audience, I'm not talking about just general vlogmas, tell us in the comment section. And as I'm rounding up, let me just say this. I'm going to post this video today because it's November. Vlogmas, for vlogmas to work, if you are just a new upcoming YouTuber, or you're a small creator, you are not yet established on the platform, all of us, we are small, okay, you want to start creating content ahead of time, because if you are waiting for if you are waiting for December 1st to start creating this content, the whole space is going to be saturated. Everybody will be creating vlogmas content. So before your viewers will watch your own, the reality is that they are going to watch your favorite YouTubers own first of all. Okay, so those of us, if you have sense, you are in this platform to work, start your work now. You should have even started since October. Yes, because like some people will say, Christmas on YouTube starts in November, it doesn't start in December. So if you intend to create vlogmas content, start creating it now, because what will happen is that if you are a smaller creator and you are using keywords like Christmas vlogmas in November, your video will be inside the algorithm, maybe how will I put it, will be in YouTube. So by the time bigger creators start creating their own, they'll shadede your own and join their own. Like YouTube will be recommending your videos. Okay, so I just said I should say that, okay, so that this can be a meaningful experience for us small Nigerian YouTubers. I hope this video has been educative. If you enjoyed it, give it a smash. You gotta give it a smash button, give it a smash button, give it a smash button. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.